LNG, why Candina 126? Well, we do not expect LNG ship owners to view all the previous 125 videos, therefore let's have a resume. The Spanish flag is the only one in this planet that 1 day on board contracted equals 2 days at shore. So then the officers and the crew can retire with 25 years on board. Now, question mark is this applicable also to non-Europeans? Well, I leave it to the employment and the maritime authorities, which probably they don't have a clue about that. But then we have really a great opportunity. It's the only flag. I was talking to some captains, European captains, and they were saying that they never ever before had this great opportunity. So that's the only queue, the only retention area. We have 90% grant social security employer from 27% to 2.7, including the whole Spanish social security, sanitary assistant, retirement, unemployment, the whole family covered. Okay, then we also have 50% income tax reduction. That means that the captain earning 90k would pay tax of 45k, which is the bracket much lower, is like 18% approx. And then we also have the 90% profit tax grant, which really is not really of much use. But if we think about this, 1 day on board equals 2 days at shore and retirement at 55 years of age. So full officers, it's a huge retention bonus that please ship owners think about it. Of course, now that interest rates are falling, it's a great opportunity also to get mortgages for officers and so on, so they can really have a long-term planning in your good company. And we could start with the minimum 20 LNGs. Why? Because the cubic meters today is 2 times what the wages are in the market now. Therefore, with a 10-15% growth, we could really get the best ones. Thank you. Bye. Let's go for 300 or 400 officers, which is about 20 LNGs. Thank you. Bye.